Hello Xiaomi friends. Today, we will demonstrate how to disassemble and assemble our Redmi 15C 5G. Now we will show you the tools we will use during the disassembly and assembly process. Plastic pry tool, anti-static wristband, plastic pry bar, SIM eject tool, needle screwdriver, tweezers, gloves, heating platform, and then remove the SIM card tray. After that, use the heating platform, turn on the power, and wait for it to heat up to about 70 degrees Celsius. Place the phone on the heating platform, start the timer, and continue heating for 1 to 2 minutes. When the time is up, we can remove the phone from the heating platform and use the suction cup to secure the battery cover assay. Use a plastic pry tool to slowly separate the battery cover assay from the device. Then remove the battery cover assay. Use a needle screwdriver to remove the screws on the mainboard assay. Then remove the screws on the subboard assay. Flip the device over. Use a plastic pry tool to pry open the middle frame assay clips. Flip the device again and lift the middle frame assay. Disconnect the cable of the fingerprint module from the device, then remove the middle frame assay. Remove the fingerprint module from the middle frame assay, being careful not to damage the fingerprint module cable. Disconnect the cables. First, disconnect the battery cable, then disconnect the main FPC assay and the front cover display module from the mainboard assay. Remove the camera assay. Disconnect camera wide and remove it from the device. Disconnect camera depth and remove it from the device. Then carefully tear open the graphite front camera dissipating. And disconnect camera front and remove it from the device. Next, disconnect the coaxial cable blue from the mainboard assay. After that, we can remove the mainboard assay from the device. Then remove the receiver from the device. Remove the side key FPC. Use tweezers to disconnect the side key FPC from the device and remove it. Next, remove the subboard assay. Remove the speaker assay. Then remove the hold rubber touch panel from the device. Disconnect the coaxial cable blue from the subboard assay. Then disconnect the main FPC assay from the subboard assay and remove the subboard assay from the device. Remove the motor. Remove the coaxial cable blue from the device. Remove the battery. Tear off the easy release adhesive. Remove the battery. Remove any remaining easy release adhesive from the device. Then carefully remove the main FPC assay. At this point, the disassembly of the Redmi 15C 5G has been completed. Next, we will show you how to assemble the Redmi 15C 5G. Assemble the motor. Use tweezers to put the motor into the proper position. Assemble the subboard ASSIE. Place the subboard ASSIE in the correct position. Press the subboard ASSIE gently to ensure it is properly installed. Assemble the coaxial cable. Connect the coaxial cable blue to the subboard ASSIE and arrange the coaxial cable blue into the cable trough. Assemble the main FPC ASSIE. Connect the main FPC ASSIE to the subboard ASSIE and place it in the correct position on the device. Press gently to ensure it is seated. Assemble the speaker ASSIE. First install the hold rubber touch panel to the correct position of the device and place the speaker ASSIE into the correct position of the device, making sure not to squeeze the components below and press gently to ensure it is installed in place. Assemble the receiver. Place the receiver into the correct position on the device and gently press it to make sure it is securely in place. Assemble the side key FPC. Place the side key FPC into the correct position, press to ensure it clicks into place, then tidy up the wiring harness to ensure it is installed in place. Assemble the mainboard ASSIE. Place the mainboard ASSIE into the device without squeezing the components underneath. Press firmly to ensure it fits into place. Assemble the camera ASSIE. Place camera front in the correct position of the device and connect it to the mainboard ASSIE and fit the graphite front camera dissipating flat. Then place camera wide in the correct position of the device and connect it to the mainboard ASSIE. Finally, install camera depth and connect it to the mainboard ASSIE. Connect the main FPC ASSIE. Connect the coaxial cable blue to the mainboard ASSIE. And then connect the main FPC ASSIE to the mainboard ASSIE. Then tear off the protective film on the back of the easy release adhesive. Align the phone to the correct position, put the battery in, and press lightly to ensure a firm fit. Then connect the front cover display module to the mainboard ASSIE. And finally connect the battery to the mainboard ASSIE. Assemble the middle frame ASSIE. First install the fingerprint module to the middle frame ASSIE. Then align the middle frame ASSIE with the device. First connect the cable of the fingerprint module to the mainboard ASSIE. Then install the middle frame ASSIE and press it to ensure it is installed in place. And then tighten the screws one by one. Tighten the screws on the subboard ASSIE. For ASSIE, tear off the protective film on the other side of the battery cover adhesive. Align the battery cover ASSIE with the device and press gently to install it in place. Finally, put the SIM card tray back into the device. Thank you for watching.